Hello dear learners, welcome back. This video is about introduction to ChatGPT. So in this video, we'll learn the basic stuffs related to ChatGPT and how to use it. I'm Mohammad Hassan Koimrani with you. So let's get started. ChatGPT is a free-to-use AI chatbot product developed by a startup called OpenAI. So here GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The time I am recording this video, the latest version of GPT is GPT-4. They are providing premium subscription as well as free subscription for a user. ChatGPT Plus subscriber will be running on GPT-4, while anyone on the free tier will talk to GPT 3.5. And obviously for premium subscription, you will have to pay something like $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus. We'll not jump into ChatGPT details, how it works. Just get the idea that the underlying math is all about probability. The model doesn't know what it's saying, but it does know what symbols or words are likely to come after one another based on the dataset it was trained on. ChatGPT does not have any biological brain, so it does not have any feelings. It does not know what to say to any of your inquiries, but it is trained in such a way that it knows what words should be said for what inquiries based on its pre-trained dataset. So that's how ChatGPT works. If you want to know the journey about the GPT, it was first introduced in 2018, the original GPT model introduced by OpenAI in 2018. It consisted of 117 million parameters. Later than this, in 2029, GPT-2 was released. So it was released in 2019. GPT-2 was a more powerful language model with 1.5 billion parameters. It garnered attention for its ability to generate coherent and contextual relevant text. So it was an achievement. GPT-3, it was introduced in June 2020. GPT-3 is the most advanced version of the model available to the public. It has a staggering 175 billion parameters, making it the largest language model at the time of its release. GPT-3 has been praised for its language understanding and generation capabilities across a wide range of tasks. Then in 2022, upgraded version of GPT-3, that is GPT 3.5, is an enhanced model that improves on its predecessor's capabilities. It offers increased performance and efficiency in generating high-quality responses. So now the free users will have access to this GPT 3.5 at the time of this video recording. And finally, in 2023, GPT-4 was released. GPT-4 has enhanced capabilities in advanced reasoning, complex instruction, and more creativity. So if you are going for premium subscription, you will be having access to this GPT-4. Now let's say if you want to differentiate between regular search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or any other search engine with ChatGPT, what will be the difference? Let's say, how does search engine works? We give some search terms or keywords, and based on the keywords and website ranking, it will show you some results on the pages. So it will not give you direct answer, but it will give you probable website links that will have your answer. Whereas ChatGPT, it does not give you website link. Rather, if you give some input prompts, keywords or queries, it will respond to your queries in textual format. And if the response is not adequate, you can make a conversation. You can ask him again using prompts. So you can redefine the chat terms and it will give you another improved response based on your added queries. And in this way, it's like a chatting with a chatbot. And finally, until and unless you get your required result, you can keep asking to improve the results. And finally, if you are satisfied, you will be getting your workable output. So the basic difference between search engine and ChatGPT remembers your previous prompts. So it has the capability to improve its response based on previous responses. But search engine does not have some similar capabilities, so it will only respond to your current keywords. It doesn't know what you have entered previously or anything like that. So that is the basic difference between search engine and ChatGPT. Now we all know about AI, but what is generative AI? So what's the difference between regular AI and generative AI? Generative AI, it refers to a category of artificial intelligence algorithms that generates new outputs based on the data they have been trained on. So it can generate new output. Unlike traditional AI systems that are designed to recognize patterns or make predictions, generative AI creates new content in the form of image, text, audio, and more. So regular AI, they are limited to classification related tasks or prediction related tasks, forecasting related tasks. They cannot generate any additional data other than they have trained on. But generative AI, they can generate new data based on their training. In tabular format, if you want to differentiate between these two, AI designed to recognize patterns and make prediction based on data, whereas generative AI, it creates new content based on the data it has been trained on. AI examples include image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, etc. Whereas generative AI example includes DALL-E, which is popular for text-to-image creation, then ChatGPT and other tools that generate new content. AI used in various industries such as healthcare, finance, marketing. Generative AI used in various industries such as art, design, entertainment, content creation, article writing, etc., etc. So where you can learn about this ChatGPT? First, you need to create an account at this website, that is https://chat.openai.com. So this is their official website. From here, you can access to the free or premium GPT you are looking for. So let's jump into this link and create our account. Okay, I have come to the link, and at the landing page, you will have this option of logging in or signing up. If you're coming here for the first time at this website, you should go for sign up. I have already created my account. The account creating procedure is pretty simple. You can use any of your Google account or Microsoft account or Apple account. Just use any of those. As I have already created an account, I will just log in with my account. After logging in, your interface should look like this. The moment I am recording this video, they have 3.5 available for free users and GPT-4 available for the premium subscriber. So I will be showing you with the free version for now. On the left hand side, you will have your search history or chat history. You can access any of those chat anytime you want, unless and until you delete them. Here is the option to delete the chats also, or you can start from a fresh chat using this new chat button. If you're done with the left panel, you can minimize this by using this close bar. Now here you can give your prompt and get the expected results. What you can ask to ChatGPT, you can learn more about this thing from this platform.openai.com/example. Let me show you the website. If you go to the website, that is platform.openai.com, here you will find quick start tutorial, or you can find examples. If you want to create your own applications using API request, you can go for this link. As we are not creating any chatbot or AI application, we will just follow the examples of how to use ChatGPT with our applications. So here they have mentioned what you can do with ChatGPT. So let me just give you an overlook of the features they are providing now. You can do grammar correction. You can summarize for any second grader or something like that. You can parse unstructured data, like you can create table from unstructured text. Then you can do emoji translations or funny things like that. You can calculate time complexity. You can explain code. You can extract keyword. You can use ChatGPT to create product name generator. You can use ChatGPT to find bug in your Python program. You can create spreadsheets using ChatGPT. tweet classification, airport code extractor, mood to color, that means turn a text description into a color, VR fitness idea generation, map the sarcastic chatbot, turn-by-turn directions, interview questions, functions from specifications, improve code efficiency, single-page website creation, rap battle writer, memo writer, emoji chatbot translation, Socratic tutor, natural language to SQL, meeting, note summarizer, review classifier, discusser, lesson plan writer, and whatnot. So these are features they are providing right now. You can also choose categories from here if you're looking for something specific. Like we are looking for code related activity with ChatGPT. So we'll choose this one and see. We can use ChatGPT to explain any of the code. You can use ChatGPT to create code for your program. You can use ChatGPT for Python bug fixing, improving code efficiency, creating website, language conversions, and whatnot. So we'll try this out, whatever related to our activity. Before going into application with ChatGPT, I will also tell you something more on prompt design. So what is prompt? When we are working on ChatGPT, we need to write some text or queries here in the message box. So these are called prompts. Let's say I am writing here ChatGPT to give me a quick tutorial on Arduino Uno pin description. Let's see how this works out. So ChatGPT is preparing a response as per my queries. So here you can see they are providing information related to Arduino Uno. What are the pins they have on Arduino Uno board? They are giving me some specific response to my queries. But there is a way of creating more efficient prompt, which is known as prompt design or prompt engineering. So let me show you a way how you can make this prompt more efficient. Here's the theory I learned from Davis B's course on LinkedIn. So the formula is, when you are creating an prompt, if you want to make it effective, you should follow this formula of create. C for character, R for request, E for examples, A for adjustments, T for type of output, and E for extras. So when you are giving a prompt or when you are giving a queries to ChatGPT, if you follow this formula, your prompt will be a more efficient one. Like, what does this mean? Character means when you are asking ChatGPT, if you give it a role, it will be more helpful for ChatGPT to tailor your response. Like you can give ChatGPT a role like you are a PhD researcher working on something, blah, blah, blah. Then comes the next point, that is request. The more details you give to ChatGPT in the queries, the more accurate response you will get from ChatGPT. So that's related to this point, that is request. Tell AI what you want it to do. Give details of the problem, not just a sentence. Rather use a paragraph to better visualize your situation with important details. The number 3 point is examples. If it is possible to provide examples of what you are looking for, it would be helpful for ChatGPT to get you a more accurate response. Like you can give any examples like title or what type of article or what type of response you are looking for. You can mention in the initial prompt. Then comes adjustment. You can also mention what type of output you are looking for. Like using bullet points, you want your response, or you want some heading, subheading, or you want some table. These are called adjustment. Type of output. Also you can mention, is it a paragraph or is it article with heading, subheading, title, or is there any word constraint or something like that? You can also mention that as a type of output in the prompt. Finally, if it is possible to add some extras, it will also help the ChatGPT to give you more accurate response. Finally, let me summarize. You can give a character or role. You can put your request in more details way, like in a paragraph. You can provide examples like what titles you are looking for or what are the applications you are looking for. You can provide adjustment like is it in bullets or is it in paragraphs or is it in a structured article. What type of output, is there any constraint? You can also put that, and if available, you can also add some extras. So these are way of creating effective prompt for your inquiries. Let's try out one example at ChatGPT. We'll try out one example from platform.openai.com/examples. Let's say you want to summarize some text for second grader student. Let's see what are the prompts they're suggesting for us. Simplify text to a level appropriate for second grade student. And the prompt is summarize content you are provided with a second grade student. So this is the prompt, and we're also providing the paragraph here. Jupiter is something, and here's a paragraph on Jupiter. So ChatGPT will summarize this text to us like this. So let's do this and see how this work out for us. We'll go to ChatGPT and we'll try to implement that format. So here we'll first write the role. I am a second grader student. Then the second task is request. I want to summarize a paragraph on Jupiter. Then comes the next step, that is providing the adjustments. I want the paragraph written in bullets. Let's also add the type of output in 100 words. Then let's attach this. Then should we put something else? I'm a second grade student. I want to summarize a paragraph on Jupiter. I want the paragraph written in bullets in 100 words. Then let's attach the paragraph here. Here goes the paragraph. So I am pasting the paragraph here. Let's see how ChatGPT responds to this prompt. So here's the response from ChatGPT. It's saying that here's a concise summary in bullet points tailored for a second grader. Jupiter, they have summarized the text from here, like position, mass, appearance, and saint name, brightness, etc. So I hope you got the idea. If you are not satisfied with the response, you can again ask to modify the answer, like make the bullets more brief. So I am requesting to make these bullet points more shorter, and I know that ChatGPT already have knowledge on my previous inquiries, so it will understand what I am asking for. Let's see. See, it knows how the previous response was made, and based on the response I am making more queries, and it's fabricating the answer according to my current requirement. Let's say I want this information in tabular form. I can tell it that make the response in a tabular form. So let's see how this response work out. You see, it was in bullets, and I've just asked to make it better by making a table from the previous response, so it is giving the same as I have asked. So you can play with this sort of prompt and try out for your requirement and your queries. We will use this ChatGPT for building Arduino projects, building circuits and whatnot. We'll see all those features in upcoming videos. But remember, ChatGPT response is text-based. It cannot give you any image, or it cannot give any circuit picture for you. So every response you will be getting from ChatGPT will be text-based, and you will have to ask accordingly. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next videos, where we'll learn how we can implement or apply ChatGPT for our Arduino projects. Thank you.